How's the JBL clip after 2 years? Hey, this is Rye and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, go and check the subscribe button. And we're taking a look at this JBL Clip 4. This has just been released a couple of years back. But I have this unit for more than 2 years to be exact. But how does it perform? Is it still good up to now? You know, a lot of people are asking that because this is still available on all online platforms. And of course, you may be here because you're searching, asking yourself, is it worth my budget? Is it worth buying? How long will it last? Now, this JBL Clip 4 right here is more than 2 years in my hands, and I've unboxed this in this channel, so just look at it on the videos. So as you can see, the JBL Clip 4 has this clip design as the name suggests. So the clip here is still working and it's still good. The buttons right here, we have the play button, play pause button, the volume up, volume down button. All of these buttons are still functioning, so no problem about that. And here at the side, we have here the power button. So power button still doing good, and the pairing or the Bluetooth button. So these buttons are still functioning normally. And we have there the clip for font or logo embossed in this rubber side of the clip, while the other one is this metal-like texture or metal-like material. Of course, we have here the charging port. That's Type-C charging port in the bottom of the speaker. Now, for the sounds, this speaker is still good sounding. You can have clear, wonderful music out of this. And of course, also the quality of the battery. The battery life is still good. This has long battery life. I've been using this for a couple of times whenever I travel or wherever I go. So this is indeed my go-to travel speakers. I just clip this at the backpack and just put this somewhere and, you know, just pair and go have music. Like even when you're at a hotel, you want to just listen to good music, then this is my go-to speaker. Now, what are the downsides, or what are the things that will happen if you have this speaker for so long? Of course, obviously, maybe a lot of you have noticed, is it a fake JBL one? Because the JBL logo here, this supposed to be here, is somewhat colored like this one, embossed or glued at the top of the speaker grill, just like somewhat these buttons, but the engraved JBL logo is already gone. Why? Maybe I've lost one in the beach, in Boracay, in Davao, in Bukidnon, wherever as I'm traveling, and I don't mind at all because it doesn't affect the overall function of the speaker. And of course, the speaker grill has this rubber stripes right here, so it's all of them are gone. So these are like battle scars of where I have used this speaker. So if you ask me, is still worth buying if you're not much of an aesthetic, or you're not much concerned of the appearance, but you're concerned of the quality of how the speaker sounds? Well, this is still a good buy after a couple of years. And right now, I think you'll be getting this on a more cheaper price than it has been released before. So it's really a good buy for your budget. Now, this is a JBL Clip 4 after more than 2 years. Tell me what you think. If you have this kind of speaker, what are other observations you have? And if you have questions, put it in the comment section below. This is Rye for RyeTech, the JBL Clip 4 after 2 years. See you on the next video. Bye, guys.